swapping out an outlet for garbage disposal and also putting in a new faucet. Alright, let's see. So disposal's still serviceable. It's just this outlet is concerning. So we're gonna go ahead and just switch out that whole box, put a new outlet, switching it over to a GFCI because, you know, that's what you should be doing. That's what the code calls for. And we're gonna swap out the faucet too. Yeah, she's not happy. And we're also gonna shut off the water too while we're out there. Yeah, dude. That's what a panel should look like. Well, this is marked garbage disposal. I'm just gonna assume that that's it. It says it's this one. Just turn off the noise. But we're still getting power. Don't know which one, but we don't have power, so that's all that matters. Jeez, yeah, that is. Dude, that's like really on there. Jesus Christ, Jesus. Let's see. How do we... There we go. Oh man, no kidding. Is that another... Oh, well, getting all the screws would probably help, wouldn't it? Can't even see those. Oh man, those are corroded. Bad. I might have to actually put this on the impact. Impacting flathead is like hell on earth, man. Ooh, yeah, look at that rat's nest. So this home was built in the 20s, I believe. And no clue how long this has been here for, but probably a good while. There she goes, our matey. Behind that. That looks like 3/4. It might not be, but I'm just gonna grab a 1/2 inch and a 3/4. We'll see what's what. This one's a jumper. Dude. All right. So unspool that. All right. Now that this abomination is out. just because of the angle of everything, we're gonna actually use the cheater strippers because this is just not gonna, this ain't gonna do it. I'm not messing with that. But we'll do the rest of the makeup with the pretty good nitpicks. This is just good practice, especially in a metal box, but it's a good habit to get into. Makes handling them way easier and safer. Okay. Situation. No, but like how would they, because we braced those doors, so I don't even know how they would have gotten through that. Yeah, maybe get in contact with non-emergency and just tell them you think that this may have been going on, just because historically it's been a thing. And I know for a fact when you tell them the address, the dispatch will see that like, oh yeah, there's been at least 4 or 5 like, you know, trespass. So when you turn the main back on, go low and slow. Quarter open is perfect just to get water going. You know, keeps pressure out. Nice. I got this box fixed too, but that's not working right, so I gotta mess with it a bit.